and stuff that with the Hadlock wool if I want to, or I can use those as cubbies to store some stuff if I have to. Um, so I'm not ready to just yank all that stuff out just because, if I'm able to use it for other purposes, because it's not necessarily in bad shape. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video, and we'll get building soon. Just gotta get over this last little bit of winter. So see you in a little bit. I want to almost, how do I put it? Gosh, because I don't know how to put this in terms that are not cliche when I first think about them, not this there we go. Look at that. There's one done. Well, not done, but I got the bottom off of it here, so maybe I'll figure out something to use for this, or like I said, maybe figure out how to put it up in the window or something. I don't know. But I don't know if spontaneous is the right word for it either. More of that, more spontaneity in it. But I think that sometimes I think myself into inaction, and I shouldn't do that either. But I am a little bit more relaxed now that I have figured, I have figured some sort of thing out with this, that my mind isn't preoccupied with that, so I can think more about other things. I can come out here and I can do this stuff and take this stuff apart, think about other things, and process how I want to do things. Start being in the space in here, and visualizing how I want to do it. But yeah, I just thought I'd talk with you guys a little bit. And what I'll do is I'll pop back on the camera here. As I get more of this done, I'll pop back on the camera and show you guys. I might even start going into the headliner here. So if I don't do that today, we'll come out and talk again tomorrow. But I'm at least going to do the seats today, so I'm going to get going on these, and hopefully you guys understand what I was saying about wanting to be more spontaneous with my journey this time, and that's why I'm not really committing to anything right now, meetup or whatever. I'm really wanting to take this bit by bit, piece by piece, and see what can come of doing things that way. Like a lot of you guys said, a little bit at a time, and that's what I'm doing. So this needed to get done. I need to cut these seat belts out. Like I said, they figure out something for these to hold in the foam against the windows or something. So anyway, I'm gonna keep working on this, and I will talk to you guys in at some point later in this video, after I show you a little bit more of what I get done, and let you know what is up with the world, or not the world, but my world. Yeah. Because it's been a long, thoughtful process to get here and realize what I want out of this. And to also, even though I know I want something else in the future ultimately, to also appreciate this for what it is. To take the time to appreciate having this van, to appreciate going and traveling in this van, and going and doing things and making a little home out of this van and some place to stay and live in, and appreciate that and take that in that moment in time, you know. And so I'm going to really take and appreciate this. And I'm reminded of when I took the other van and I went camping, and I mean, it was so awesome, but at the same time so sad because that van didn't work out. But now that I know I'm on that track again, before I spend all the time and effort into it, I know this van's going to work out now. That I'm going to have that, and how to explain just being able to go out and be somewhere for the day, or go somewhere for the day and just be there to film. And I know there's a lot of people that watch this channel that do that. There's a lot of people that watch this channel that watch other people's channels that do that. But I wanted to express upon you, at least from my angle, and how I've been and been on this channel and been stuck for this last while. I want to kind of impress upon you how much of a blessing and a gift just that is. Right? Just that. So when you're out there filming your things and you're out there doing your things, maybe take a moment and appreciate what you're getting to film when you're there. Just take a moment to appreciate it. Anyway, I'll come back to you guys. I'll show you guys as we get complete in here and talk with you. But anyway, before I get too sentimental and mushy, I'm going to get back to work. Talk to you guys in a bit. Alright guys, as you can see, I have all the seats apart. I know it's all fogged up in here. Here's all the seats. Here's the back of the seats. So I may try to lie down some sort of bed in here with these seats, and see if I can make some sort of bed in here. If I can make some sort of bed, I may move in here a little bit sooner. Just depending on if I can make a bed or not. I'm pretty much gonna call it for the day. The sun's going down, and I'll get this stuff put out tomorrow or in a little bit or whatever. But just wanted to update you guys. So I'm going to empty this stuff out tomorrow, and then we'll see about laying a bed or something out with these foam pieces. I'll probably take the headliner down and do some other stuff, but that's where we're at today, guys. So I will catch you in the next one here probably tomorrow or the next day. But that's where we're at, and got the seats done. So little bit by little bit, we're gonna get there.